I don't know what happened to this vehicle, but I'm gonna do it like a walk around on it. This is a 2013, what, Impala or Malibu, okay? And this has some significant damage on here. Um, you already saw part of it, but the bumper was messed up. You already showed you the radiator on the other video. Um, it's pretty bad. You got oil all on here. I mean, for a 13, this is not too good. Bumper is messed up there, messed up there. All this is messed up on this car. You got the airbags that's out here, airbag out there. On the back bumper, you can see right there, a little bit is out. I don't know what happened to this car. If you go up top here, you got a hole in the roof. So I don't know if a tree fell on this or what.